Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. So today I have just a single nail tutorial on how I painted this little, I don't know, Christmas design. So yeah, I just got some inspo off Pinterest and then I kind of just did my own thing with the colors and stuff. So if you want to see how I made these, then keep on watching. So I'm gonna go in with Undressed and I'm gonna go with 3 coats and then I will be right back. Okay, so that was 3 coats, and then these are going to be all of the polishes or the paints that I'm going to use. So that was Blank Slate by Kiara. It's just a white. This one is called Glamorous by Medusa. It's like a champagne-y, like, I don't know, like rose goldish color. And then this is called Spiced Cognac, also by Medusa. This is like a reddish, like, I don't know, just so pretty. So yeah, I just tried to stay with like in the reds. So I'm gonna go in with 003 from Nail Gang, and that is, I believe their website though is House of Supplies. I'll link them down below so you guys can see, because they have really good colors and they are so pigmented. So I'm just gonna kind of mark the very center of the nail to the best like that my eye can see. So I just did a little dot, and then I'm gonna go in with my white and then just start like outlining the design that I'm making. So we're gonna start from the point and then go to the center, just like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that all the way around and let you guys see. Okay, so now that we have our design like pretty much laid out, we're gonna go in with our deep red, and this can be done with any color. Like I was even thinking of doing maybe a blue and silver with the white. I don't know, that might be cute too. So yeah, just any color that you choose, you're gonna start filling the in between of the white lines to make kind of, I would say it's kind of like those candy cane, like the little circle ones that you guys see. It kind of gives me that like kind of vibe. So yeah, we're just gonna fill that in and then I will be back. Okay, so I filled it all in and I'm happy with how it looks, but I did want to thicken up the white lines a little bit in some areas. So I'm just going to go back and do that really quick and then just like kind of perfect them. I always go back and perfect little things here and there. Like, I don't know, I look at it from every single angle, and yes, I am just with my lines, like I'm really a perfectionist and I just like it to look a certain way. So I'm gonna just go ahead and let you guys watch that, and yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so now it's time for that spiced cognac color, and I just mixed it a little bit because I haven't used it in a while. So yeah, it's perfectly good, and it's more of like, it's like a red, like a deeper red with glitter, and it has like this pretty like golden shimmer to it. I don't know, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like gloss all the way done, and then I'm also going to show you guys what it looked like matte. The matte is my favorite, and I also put them on so that you guys can see what they would look like applied and like how it would all look. They are so pretty once I'm done. Like, I can't wait for you guys to see. So all I'm gonna do is go over the red to make it a little bit thicker and then also give it that shimmer, and yes, I will be right back. And then I am so sad because I think my camera cut off and I didn't get to record that last color. But if you guys can see, all I did was draw a line from the center out to the other area. So that's all I did. I made sure it was perfectly centered all the way throughout, and this is how they looked. This is the matte version. I am obsessed with the matte. Like, I don't know, matte just has a hold on me. Like, look how pretty that looks. So yeah, if you guys recreate these, definitely tag me and show me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.